Mickey and Minnie, they're taking a walk. Listen, the birds are singing in the trees, and Mickey and Minnie are singing too. Mickey and Minnie come to Daisy's house. Hello, Mickey. Hello, Minnie. Hi, Mickey. Hello, Minnie. Hi, Daisy. Hi, Goofy. Beautiful day, isn't it? Yes, it is a beautiful, sunny day. It's a good day for a picnic. Then let's go. Let's all of us go on a picnic. What shall we eat? A lot. Let's eat a lot. I'll bring hot dogs. I'll bring a salad. I'll bring a chicken. I'll eat it all up. Mickey, Minnie, and Goofy go to Clarabelle's house. We're going on a picnic. Will you come too? Yes, I'd love to come. Thank you. Minnie invites Clarabelle to go on the picnic. Daisy goes to Donald's house. She knocks at the door. She knocks at the door again. No one comes to the door. No one is at home. Look, there's a note on the door. Daisy reads the note. I am at Uncle Scrooge's house, Donald. Daisy goes to Scrooge's house. Scrooge's house is very, very big. Scrooge is very, very rich. Daisy invites everyone to the picnic. Hello, everyone. We're going on a picnic. Will you come too? A picnic, says Sylvie. We can fish. Fish, says Scrooge. I hate fishing. We can swim, says Dewey. I hate swimming, says Scrooge. We can hike, says Louie. I hate hiking, says Scrooge. We can build a fire, says Dewey. I hate building fires, says Scrooge. We can play baseball, says Dewey. I hate baseball, says Scrooge. How will we get there? By bus, by bicycle, by car? Everyone is going on the picnic. Everyone except Scrooge. Scrooge is not going on the picnic. He is going to stay home. He is going to count his money. Whose fish is bigger, Donald's fish or Daisy's fish? Whose car is bigger, Mickey's car or Scrooge's car? Whose car is older, Mickey's car or Scrooge's car? Who is older, Scrooge or Huey? Minnie, Daisy, and Clarabelle are in the kitchen. They are very busy. Minnie and Daisy are taking the picnic basket. Clarabelle is making lemonade. Look at all those lemons. This is Mickey's car. Mickey, Goofy, and Poodle are putting things in the car. Here comes Minnie. Don't forget the picnic basket, says Minnie. This is Donald's car. Huey and Dewey are putting things in the car. Donald is tying a boat up to the top of the car. Look, here comes Daisy. Don't forget the matches, says Daisy. Mickey, Minnie, Goofy, Clarabelle, and Poodle are going to the picnic in Mickey's car. Mickey, Minnie, Clarabelle, and Poodle are ready in the car. Goofy is not in the car yet. Donald, Daisy, Huey, Dewey, and Louie are going to the picnic in Donald's car. Away they go, away from the city, away from the buildings, away from the cars, away from the taxis and boxes. The brown building is taller than the red building. Mickey is short. Goofy is tall. Who is shorter, Huey or Donald? Who is taller, Clarabelle or Minnie? The two cars ride down the road. They come to a hill. The two cars come to a tunnel. The cars come to a big river. Listen to the sounds of the city. Listen to the sounds of the country. Scrooge is at home. He's counting his money. He's counting his gold. How many pieces of gold does Scrooge have? Let's count them. Home, sweet home. Oh, home, sweet home. Mickey's car comes to a hill. It goes over the hill. Donald's car comes to the small hill, but it doesn't go over the hill. What's wrong with Donald's car? Look, Daisy is putting at something empty. There's no more gas in Donald's car. Everyone gets out of the car. Everyone except Daisy. They push and they push and they push the car over the hill. But where is Mickey's car? Mickey's car is on the other side of the hill.